Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Spotify has released its most streamed artists of 2019. On top is Post Malone, the rapper accumulating over 6.2 billion streams globally, thanks in part to his very successful third studio album, Hollywood's Bleeding, and the mega hit Sunflower featuring Sway Lee from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. This marks the rapper's first time on the streaming service's Wrapped list. According to a Spotify press release, American Music Award frontrunners Post Malone, Billie Eilish, and Ariana Grande are the most streamed artists of 2019. The rapper also took third place in the top 5 most streamed acts of the decade, behind Drake, who has 28 billion streams, and Ed Sheeran with 2.3 billion streams. The most streamed track is Camila Cabello and Shawn Mendes' Senorita with 1 billion streams. Number 2, Billy with Bad Guy. Sunflower by Post Malone and Sway Lee rounds out the top 3. For the most streamed albums globally, it was the 17-year-old Billie, her debut album When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go?, making it the first time a female artist has topped the list. Hollywood's Bleeding by Post Malone held the number 2 spot, and Thank You Next by Ariana Grande in third. Some of our very own local acts have posted impressive numbers on Spotify Wrapped and social media lists. Like Sean Paul, he has over 800 million streams for a very impressive year. Charlie Black boasts 72.7 million streams, a little under his 100 million for his crossover party hit Party Animal in 2017. Shensia ends with 45.7 million streams, and Busy Signal with 37.2 million streams on the heels of his latest album, Parts of the Puzzle. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.